So we still have this JAMB question here to solve. This is the second JAMB question concerning conversion of numbers. So we have 55, that is 5 everything, the base is y. 55 base y plus 52 base y is equal to 77 base 10. Find y. The question say you should find y. So let's look for the y. Okay. So now, since we are going to use the idea of conversion from order basis to base 10. So since we have 55 base y, we are going to convert 55 base y to base 10 so that we equate it to, because they say everything here is equal to 77 base 10. So now let's do the same thing we did before. Here 0, here 1, here 0, here 1. So now that is 5. Then you take the base, you multiply by the base, raised to the power of 1 plus 5 times y raised to the power of 0 plus here 5 times y raised to the power of 1 plus 2 times y raised to the power of 0 is equal to 77. 77 base 10, there is no need of writing the base, because since we write it like this, we know that it's in base 10. So now y raised to the power of 1 is the same y, so 5 times y will give you 5y plus anything that raised to the power of 0 is 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus y raised to the power of 1 is y, so 5 times y will give you still 5y plus anything that raised to the power of 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, so that is equal to 77. So now if you can see 5y and 5y are the same, so you add it together will give you 10y. Then 5 plus 2 is 7, is equal to 77. And again, here we are going to collect like terms. Collection of like terms. So we separate the one with alphabet one side, the one without alphabet, which is a variable. You are going to keep the variable one side and you take the constant one side. So here the two, we have 7 as a constant, 77 as a constant. So we are going to take them one side, we are going to group them one side, and we leave the variable, which is 10y, one side. So taking 7 plus 7 to the other side, it will change to minus 7. So you have 10y is equal to 7 minus 7, and this is 10y is equal to 70, because 77 minus 7 is 70. So you are going to divide both sides. Divide both side by 10, so that 10y divided by 10 is equal to 70 divided by 10. So 10 into 10 is 1. 1 times y is y, and 0 cancels 0. 70 divided by 1 is 7. So 70 divided 10 is 7. So the answer is y is equal to 7.